We're here at Kircher's Orchard Farm.
Welcome back po muli sa aking channel. Kung first time po ninyong manood, don't forget to click like and subscribe.
TOFC Pieta. We're here at Kircher's Orchard Farm. Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Kircher's Sunrise Orchard Apple Farm. And they have plenty of pumpkins too, giant pumpkins. I don't know how many pound a piece. $35 each bar.
What do you think weighs more, you or this pumpkin?
And this one, 45 cents a pound for it. Yeah, this is it. We're gonna fall in line next. Okay guys, we're now here at Kircher's Orchard Farm. This is a big apple orchard. Ayan. This is really an orchard, you know what I mean. Just a dream to have one of these in the Philippines. Ito mga wala ng bunga pero guys, there's different types of apples here. Yeah, we are now in a Red Delicious section. The Red Delicious apples. Ang dami. Tayong paglagyan sa dami. Ang dami. Oh my gosh. Look at that guys. Look at that. Nakikita nyo ba kung gaano karaming Red Delicious apples? Look at this bunch. Oh, Red Delicious apples variety. Ayan. Pababa, oh, ang dami. Look how beautiful this apples variety. You can pick anything you want for more than $49 a pound. Look at that guys. Abot kamay, mag-enjoy po talaga kayo, oh. Ang laki-laki ng farm. Dami. Oh, look how beautiful they are. Tingnan nyo naman guys, abot kamay lang natin, oh. Look at that. Eto tayo ngayon sa ilalim ng puno ng Red Delicious apples kung saan dito sa Kircher's Sunrise Orchard Farm in Goshen, Indiana. Napakadami niya. So eto yung ating bag. Yan, namitas na tayo. Wow, look at this. The Red Delicious apples. Wow. Look at this. Okay guys, look at that. Yan, ang dami pang namimitas. gonna go. China goes with all purples. Okay guys, we are now in Golden Delicious all-purpose green on the ground. Oh my, look at that, all are green.
Sabi, basura lang po talaga
Green naman dito
ang mga
guys.
apples.
Pinagpapawisan na ako, lahat nasa ground na yung green apples. Oh, look at that, all are on the ground.
Hindi po pwedeng mamulot niyan.
Let's see. Oh, they don't have more. Okay, here. Ang dami. Here. The green ones here. Here. And there we go. Oh my. Mamimitas tayo ng ilan mamaya. Ayan guys, to continue, nandito naman tayo sa mga puno. Look at that. Oh, a friendly bus is buzzing on my ears. Look at the ants. So far, ito yung pinakamababa. Ayan. Mamimitas tayo na. Ayan guys. So. At ayun pa. Guys, nandito tayo sa mga green apples. Golden green apples. They said golden, but look at, they are so green. Ayan guys, ang dami nila. Oh. Look at that. So mamimitas din tayo dito. Okay, to continue, done with the Golden Delicious.
Ang mga nalalaglag po sa lupa ay nagsisilbi na ring pataba sa orchard farm na ito.
Everything is on the ground. We're still in the Golden Delicious ones. Okay, 2 more at the end. Kakapawis ah. Okay guys, not done yet. Guys, not done yet. Dito muna tayo. This open. Okay. Everything is on the ground. Nasa Fiji section naman ako ngayon. And these are like mixture of red and green and red in colors. So this is what I got. GPG. There's not much in Fiji. This part is not yet ready, that's why. They put the yellow line. They're not good yet probably.
Nakakahinga pero nag-enjoy lahat ang ingay ng mga bata.
You can get through there. Probably have to come on the other side.
So probably that's it. Gold Rush apples.
Get all of those! Get them and put them in here.
Guys, yan ang end ng aming
Look, any videos that you go
Look at that howler. Oh, look at this bunch. Fiji. Fiji. A lot of people are coming down, so it's done. It's a scored land.
Tayong pumunta dyan, I'm tired.
Wala na sa Cortland. Just on the ground. They don't have too much now. Oh, that's it. Pictures. No more in here, huh? Honey, I don't have it. I don't see here anymore.
And that's it for today. And thank you so much for your support. See you next time.